The first step would be creating a new project. Let's select create a new project. We want to create a new project from scratch. Next, let's name it my webby. That would be the name. Uh, you can select the format of the file that describes the project. It can be a IDEA format. This is the default. It can be something else like IPR. Let's skip the default. We do need the Java module. This is the only module we need. Let's press next. Yep, we want to have the src folder where all source code is kept. Let's press next. And let's select the web application option. This is what we want to develop. Select the version, the newest version. We can keep the create web.xml checkbox. It would be great getting an auto-generated web.xml file that holds the configuration for the web application we develop. And let's press finish. So we get a new folder. Its name is the name of the project, and here we have the src folder for placing source code, as well as the web folder where we can find the files that actually will be deployed on the server. You can already see the web in folder where we can place all classes, servlets we develop as well. This is a folder client, a web browser cannot access. It is a folder on the server side where we can place those files. We don't want to have them accessible for those who browse our website. We already get a JSP file. We can change it. We can create new JSP files. Let's create a new one. File. Let's name it bombo.jsp. Press OK. We can type something simple like a simple JSP file that prints out the word shalom 10 times. And in order to move forward and execute this JSP file, we first need to verify that we have the required configuration. So if you select run on top and then select edit configurations, here you can find within the default section the Tomcat server. Here we just need to select the server we want to work with, the Tomcat server we want to work with. So I press configure and just verify that I select the folder of the Apache Tomcat I want to use. So if you go and select that folder, automatically everything else is filled for you. So you can press apply and then OK, and you are set. You have the Tomcat configuration ready for use. So I can press apply, OK. Now, by the way, if you go and check the edit configuration now, your setting in Tomcat server are kept, of course. I select the JSP file I want to execute and just go to the run bombo.jsp. I press it, and you can see from those messages we get in console that indirectly the Tomcat is started, and then we get the bombo.jsp file we wanted to execute shown in our web browser, the default web browser on your PC. You can easily, once you have it up and running, try to access other JSP file in that very same web application, such as the index.jsp file, the file that was already created for us by the IntelliJ.